Hey friends, I'm back and I'm showing you my soft glam makeup routine. So you guys know on my channel, I've shown you a lot of my skincare routine, my battles with adult acne and hyperpigmentation. I had a really crazy breakout. It's all since cleared up, but for those still on that path, I'm gonna show you how to get it covered up. All right, so first I'm gonna start off with my Smith's lip balm, one of my absolute favorites. I've already done my moisturizer off camera, and my sunscreen as well. So I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. This just helps to prevent any coming acne and also treat current hyperpigmentation. Always pulling upward on the skin and not downward. Now, typically when I'm healing my skin, I don't wear a lot of makeup, but I had to go to this amazing event with Ipsy in LA, so that is the purpose for this. So I'm using Sephora's Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer in 33.5. I'm just going to cover up everything so when I do my foundation, it's nice and smooth and we don't have a lot of darkness peeking through, and it's pretty affordable. So I use a couple different foundations, but because this is an affordable drugstore foundation tutorial, you guys know one of my favorites, Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. So I am mixing 335 and 338, more 335 than 338 because it was early spring and I just wanted to make sure I had a little bit of warmth to my foundation, but not completely my summer shade. Right, so I'm just going to apply that all over because I did my base. It's going to give a skin-like finish. Right now it's looking a little heavy, but the main thing you want to do is blend. And then I'm going to go with my e.l.f. Translucent HG Setting Powder, tapping off the excess and gently patting it into my skin to avoid moving around my skin product. And then we're going to have a Janera dance break, okay? So now that my main base is set, we're going to go in with NARS's Punta Cana bronzing powder just to define the cheeks and the jawline and add a little warmth to the face. Then I'm going to go with my Give Them La La Beauty blush palette. I'm going to be using Boss Lady in the Ring. The Ring has a little bit of shimmer, so I don't really have to worry about using highlight because I want to give a little glow and shim, but I am not trying to give jump scare, okay? And to make sure we equally blended, I'm going to blend everything down with another brush and check it in natural lighting. So the palette, I actually forgot to film, but God covers you because this brand has been in hot water on TikTok lately, so we're not going to promote it. But I will tell you, I used Flame and Cozy in the crease and shimmer on the lid and blended it down with a clean brush to make sure it's nice and precise. Now it's time for brows. So I'm going to be using e.l.f.'s Clear Brow and Lash Mascara, one of my favorites, and just brush my brows up and into the shape that I want. And then we're going old school Beauty Supply brown eyebrow pencil. One of my favorites, a staple, affordable, $1. And once my shape is filled, I go back in with my brown mascara to lock it in. And I'm not a big falsies girl, so I'm going to be using Essence's Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. One of my favorites, gives me that length, that volume, and that voom. And then because of TSA requirements, I have some Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray in a bottle, and I'm going to spray that on. Now we're back with my wig, and it's time to do those lips. So I first start off with NYX's Lip Lingerie in the shade Beauty Mark to line my lips. Then I like to go in with Skin Indulgent on the inner part of my lips to add a little pink. And then I'm going to finalize it with Mary Kay's Beach Bronze, as you see right here. That's going to add a little bit of shimmer and take it to the next level for a daytime sexy nude look. So this is my routine. It takes me under 20 minutes to do. So if you enjoyed it, be sure to thumbs it up. Subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, meet me in the comment section. I'll be in the back by the snacks. And God willing, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.